Renegade is an entry-level Jeep vehicle. As an additional 2022 Jeep Renegade small SUV, it competes with vehicles such as the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona and Kia Soul. The Renegade trails these top-ranked vehicles by a sizable margin, though it stands out as one of the few vehicles with decent off-road capabilities. If visiting any terrain is not an issue, it will be served by its competitors because the Renegade's slow engine response, disappointing fuel economy, small cargo capacity, and strong wind noise keep it from rising to competitor status. That should apply to 2022 as well. Have seen eye-watering shots of the highly camouflaged Jeep Renegade on the internet, which makes sure that the 2021 model will be updated soon. In 2020, it received both exterior and interior updates, so we're pretty sure the 2022 model won't get a major styling upgrade. Jeep launched several plug-in hybrid models, including the Renegade, which bears the 4Z badge. It's likely the PHEV that made its debut at the auto show. The European Renegade plug-in hybrid is expected to provide electricity only to drive up to 31 miles of power to the rear wheels. Once the battery is depleted, the gasoline engine will take over, providing power to the front wheels. Pretty sure we'll see the plug-in 4Z join the Renegade Jeep 2022 lineup. If the plug-in hybrid Renegade leads the way, it might be a good idea to wait for the Detroit Auto Show in June to see what happens. But if you're looking for a conventionally powered model, you can pull the trigger on the 2020 Jeep Renegade. In the extra small SUV class, the only other option that offers similar off-road capabilities is the Jeep Compass, which also benefits from the addition of a new plug-in hybrid. If off-roading isn't an option, it might be better served by a more conventional crossover, such as one of the three options Hyundai Kona, Kia Soul and Honda HR-V. Watch this space for more updates as we get closer to an official announcement. The 2022 Jeep Renegade is a subcompact crossover sold in 4 main trim levels. The base of the Sport is pretty simple, so most people would find Latitude a good starting point. From there, you can move on to the luxurious or off-road oriented Trailhawk Limited, which is the only trim level equipped with a 4-wheel drive system that includes low-range gears. Highland, Altitude, and high-altitude subs add each special exterior option and upgrade to the Sport, Latitude and Limited models.